What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing today? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. Back with another review, last review of 2022 for my automatic pay. Had to bring this one back to you guys. If you're here for the very first time, smash it, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, the link is in the description. www.getpaidfromhome.info. Go check this thing out. M.A.P, my automatic pay, a great system to collect $247 commissions over and over and over. They have everything included with this little system. I like to call it low ticket because it's only $280 to get in. There's no monthly fees. It comes with capture pages. It comes with traffic resources, everything you need to be able to earn these $247 commissions. Not to mention you have an owner that is hands-on with this system. Okay. Capture pages is going to lead to the sales page, which is one of the pages you're looking at right now. That's going to do all the selling and telling for you right here. Just watch this 4-minute video. All right. And then they have the built-in autoresponder. So they have the follow-up lead series that's going to follow up with your prospects and automatically recruit for you on your behalf. All right, guys. So they've got all this included. Nice bonuses because what they've included here is a free members area, the free autoresponder, no monthly fees. They're including the traffic. They're including an 800 number, sizzle number that people can call, okay, that will pique their interest. They're giving you access to unlimited $247 commissions. There's no cap here. You can earn as much as you want, and you get paid any way you want, directly to you. There's no middleman. Commissions are going to come directly to you however you decide you want to receive your payments, whether it's Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, credit card. However you want to get paid, set it up in your back office. This system will direct people to send money directly to you. They have a robust interface marketing system. The analytics is going to show you all the leads that's going to come in. In the members area, you're going to see all the names and the people that opted in. It will break down far as on it's a number scale. If people are watching the video, if they're what they're opting into and what they're looking at. Okay, so this system for $280, it's amazing. Here is proof payments, screenshots of people that have made money with the opportunity. So shout out to M.A.P. Shout out to all the people that have made money with the system. Congratulations, because this system does work. It comes with digital products, guys, to show you how to make money online. Okay, so definitely go check this system out. I've come out and showed you guys proof payments I've received with it. If you work the system, it will work. It's a one-up compensation plan. Your very first sale you make, guys, you pocket that. You break even. Okay, you get $247, so you break even on the first sale. The second sale with the one-up comp plan, that means that one sale is going to be passed up, so it's going to be your second sale. Okay, everybody passes up their second sale. This is what gives this program leverage so that you can earn these passive $247 commissions that can happen at any point in time from your downline. But from there on, the third sale to infinity, you will pocket every one of those sales, okay? Paid directly to you, okay? So don't miss this. This sales page right here, this one-page presentation is the closer. It's going to close all the sales for you because it answers all the questions. There's a video here. They break down everything that's included, okay? Then there's another video right here, by the way. Don't skip this one. Check that one out. Okay, and then it tells you here what you get right here, all on this page. So all someone has to do is click this join button, and it's going to direct them to pay you directly. It's going to be coded to you how you want to get paid. They're going to pay you the $247, and they're going to send the company $33, and they can use a debit card or credit card to make the payments. Just that simple. Now, once you get signed up with me, I'll be notified from M.A.P. They'll send me an email, and then of course the payment processor that you decide that you're going to pay me with, they will notify me, and then I'll send you an email welcoming you aboard, and I will mark you paid, and you will instantly have access to your back office, okay, so that you can set up your system and start collecting these commissions. So let's go take a look at the back office really quickly. Okay, when you log in your dashboard, this is the control panel right here. All of this changes every 24 hours, okay? Your referral link is right here. As soon as you log in, look to your left, it says start here. Follow those instructions, okay? That's all you need to do. And then everything is right here you're gonna need. They tell you how to get traffic. They show you all the different ways. Solo ads, postcards, drop cards. All the different ways are right here, okay? So you're going to do that, and you and I will have a little chat so that I can make sure you get on the right marketing plan, okay? However, okay, for everybody that joins me, I'll send your first campaign, okay? But look at here. Get activated. It gives you the steps. Get activated. Get your website set up by setting up your payment option, and then start getting traffic. That's it, guys. Okay, that's all you need to do. This is a simple, newbie-friendly system. Okay, so get started. They have postcards as well. I know sometimes people don't want to do the online marketing. Guess what? They got postcard templates in here too. Look at this. Okay, postcard templates already ready to roll. You can order them directly from them, from the back office, or I can refer you to a vendor that I use, okay? So you can get started. What's stopping you? Okay, going into 2023, I know a lot of times folks procrastinate. Now is not the time. Move forward. You've been watching people make money with these opportunities, guys. You can do it too if you take action and be consistent, okay? Now, they also include where you can get your leads from if you want to order postcards. I also have a list of vendors that I use. I'll share that with you as well. That's just another option. You don't have to do postcards. You can just do online marketing, okay? But I'm just showing you they have that option if you just want to go offline. All right, and then check out this page right here. This is a great capture page they've got here. Discover the #1 system for generating $741 a day. Okay, and that goes very well with your card. Okay, if you mail a postcard that has that on it and then you send people here, they resonate with that. Okay, so if you're ready to start earning these $247 commissions instant, click that link in the description, www.getpaidfromhome.info. Now, one other update I want to give you guys, TextBot, they have changed their monthly. You know, it was $10 just for Ava. They've changed it to $25. Let me see if I can find that link just as an FYI for you guys. Hang tight. Okay, actually it was in the Zoom. He didn't send an email, but right in the Zoom, this email they sent is changed. Look right there. It's $25 a month for Ava.
I'm going to go through how the changes look to you as an Ava member and as an Ava Plus member, and you will see.
And it looks like it's $50 a month for Ava Plus. So just as an FYI, guys. All right. All right, guys. But before I let you go, real quick, right here, M.A.P offers digital products. I think I mentioned that earlier. So right here are some digital products that they offer, and you'll be able to download these instantly. As soon as you log in, here they are. This is one of my favorites here, this digital marketing tool. Then they also have the digital health products as well. So you are getting digital products. Now these products right here will show you different strategies that you can use to help you make money online as well. Okay? Alright guys, so you ready to get started with me in M.A.P going into 2023 for a low cost of $280 to be able to make unlimited $247 commissions over and over, guys. Okay? There is no cap. There is no limit. The sky is the limit. Okay, it's up to you to take action to get started. All right, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash it, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. Happy New Year. See you in 2023. Have a blessed day.